This is my phone. It's the Asus Zenfone 6, the one with the flippy cam. Today's video is not about the phone itself though, but more so about the case it's seated in. I bought this case on Amazon for around 8 euros, which would be a steal if the leather on its back was actually leather. But instead I got some low quality textured print of what's supposed to look like leather. So with my absolute novice knowledge of handling leather, I will try and make it better. As with any job, it is very important to get the correct tool. In German we say, das richtige Werkzeug ist die halbe Miete. Or in English, the right tool is half the rent. Whoa, okay. It's future me here. I've listened to this bit like 15 times, and the joke I'm about to make gets worse and worse every time, so I think I'm just gonna skip ahead a little. Fulfilled with disappointment, I discovered this huge patch of glue underneath the fake leather. And such began the journey of finding the appropriate makeshift glue removal tool thing. I tried scraping it off with my blade, that didn't really work. I tried a card, didn't work either. A washer, that went surprisingly well. A rock, no, that would be stupid. A pen. An Amazon Fire TV stick. And back to the washer, because, well, if it works, it ain't stupid, I think. So I have this paper leather thing which I took off the case, and I have this real leather, and if I lay it on top you can see it fits quite well, and I'm just gonna trace around it, and after that I will cut it just like that. Alright, so I just traced around this fake leather thing, and now the real leather has this nice. Alright, I just cut it to shape. It's a little bit bigger than the phone itself, obviously, because the trace wasn't 100% accurate, but with a little bit of sanding I'm just gonna get it on there. I'll see you in a bit. Fun fact, there's a leather texture inside the case, underneath the skin. I'm not sure why, but I'm just gonna sand it away because it might keep the glue from sticking, and that's not what I want. And onto the glue itself. I used Uhu Kraftkleber, which is strength glue. So the packaging says it's made for wood, plastics, ceramic, glass, metal, leather. And since I have 2 of these materials, it should work just fine. Now that the leather is glued on, I'm just gonna cut off excess glue and or leather. And with that, we should be done. As you might have seen just now, I have no real knowledge of handling leather. But the case looks way better than before in my opinion, and more importantly, it feels really nice now. Of course it's not Apple leather case level, but I paid what, 15 euros in total? So what's the lesson learned today? You don't have to be an expert in something to produce functional things. Wow, that's a motivational quote right there. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video in 2.5 years. Bye!